In this video, I'll show you how to set up a recurring buy on Kraken. First, sign into your Kraken account. Once you're logged in, click Buy Crypto from the main menu and select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase on a recurring schedule. Next, enter the amount you want to buy. Then, look for the recurring buy option and enable it. Choose how often you want the purchase to happen, such as daily, weekly, every 2 weeks, or monthly. After that, select your payment method. If you haven't added one yet, follow the prompts to link a bank account, debit card, or another supported payment method available in your region. Now, review the purchase amount, frequency, payment method, and any applicable fees. Make sure everything looks correct before continuing. Once you're ready, click Confirm to activate your recurring buy. Kraken will automatically purchase the selected cryptocurrency according to the schedule you've chosen, and you can manage or cancel the recurring purchase at any time from your account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a recurring buy on Kraken. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.